Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at a pretty cool light. This is by Dewalt. This is their car hood light. Now I like this for a number of reasons. Number one, obviously being its function, which is for working under the hood. This is a really cool tool. But I also like it because I'm in renovations, I do construction, and I can hang this from the wall. It's perfect for basement work. It's nice and compact, so you can actually light it up just like this. It's just a really awesome, unique kind of tool. So let's just take a closer look at it, what it can do, overall size, expansion, yada, yada, yada. And make sure if you're liking the video, you give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you, especially if you've used this or if you have any questions on how this thing works if I don't cover it in the video. So it opens up just like this and it expands like that. So you've got two light bars in here, one on each side. They can both be controlled individually. So you can have one on, one off, or vice versa. You can dim this. It has two settings, bright, dim, and off. So I guess that's three. Takes the 20-volt max batteries, but you can also throw in those flex volt batteries, which is pretty cool. For now, I'm just gonna throw in a slim because it's easy to grab. Fits right in here. And we have all our controls on one side. So you press the on button and it's super bright. Press it again, that dims it. Press it one more time and that goes off. This next button will turn off and on either side. So I'm just gonna go dim. So press it once, this side goes off, press it again, this side goes off, press it again, both of them are on. So really handy. This will expand from 51 inches up to 74. This will work pretty much on any car. Now I have a Ford F350 and it's actually too big for this light. However, it does hook on the struts on the side, so it works great, but hooking it onto the actual hood, like if I wanted to raise it up a little higher, I can't do that. But for other vehicles like cars or Jeeps, things like that, no problem. With these hooks on the end, you can rotate them all the way around 360. Now, a lot of the times you might see this in my videos just hanging up behind me, which is a cool way to store it. So I just kind of hang it like that. This works well on a construction site. You could hang this on a top plate, and if you really wanted to, you could chuck a nail up there so it's not going to get bumped and fall off. If you want to expand this, you just have to pull on it. Now the best way to hook this onto a hood is grab it with one side over here, pull it out, and then take this side and pull it out and hook it on. That's how you would attach it to a hood. Once you're attached, you have full rotation of the light and you can point it wherever you want. You really don't want it right in your eyes because it's pretty bright. So I just point it down or away from me. If you're wondering what this dimension is, we've got about 3 inches on the tight spot right there, 3 1/8. And if you're wondering about the lumens, it goes up to 1700 lumens on the bright setting. Boom. Pretty bright. So the other cool thing is it folds up. You just have to pull it together. Turn these out. And then there's a little locking tab right here. You just push this together and it's held nice and tight. So you can leave it like this, which is a little bit precarious, or we can flip it around and it's not bad. If you bump it, it will fall over, but this can just sit in the corner, or you can light up your area, light up one side. So it's not just for automotive. Another quick spec, this is about 26.5 inches when it's folded up. So if you want to throw this in a toolbox or something, make sure you can fit 26.5 inches. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, and give me a thumbs up if you're liking the video. And please don't forget to comment. We love to hear from you. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.